Video number 28. Solving a DC circuit problem. As in most cases, there is more than one way to find a solution. Another way would be to use Ohm's law to find the currents flowing in the areas of V1 and V2. We start the same way as before, by redrawing the original network. This series combination gives us 6 kiloohms and 3 kiloohms in parallel with 6 kiloohms, which is given by 3 kiloohms times 6 kiloohms all over the quantity 3 kiloohms plus 6 kiloohms. This gives us 18 kiloohms over 9 kiloohms, or 2 kiloohms. We can redraw the circuit now to look like this. 2 kiloohms resistors in series. Now, instead of using the voltage divider rule, we use Ohm's law to find the current that is flowing from the voltage source to the load. In order to do that, using Ohm's law, we calculate the current flowing from the 12-volt power supply. We know the voltage and the series resistant, so the current flowing from the 12-volt power supply is 3 milliamps. We then return to Ohm's law to find the voltage V1. We now know the current flowing through the 2 k ohm resistor, so the voltage drop across V1 would be 3 milliamps times 2 k ohms, which will give us 6 volts. Since we also know the voltage drop is 6 volts across the 4 and 2 k ohm series resistors, we can use Ohm's law to calculate the current through these resistors, which is 6 divided by the quantity 4 k ohms plus 2 k ohms, which works out to 1 milliamp. We can again use Ohm's law to calculate the voltage drop across the 2 k ohm resistor, which is V2, and is calculated by multiplying 1 milliamp times 2 k ohm, which equals 2 volts. Which, not surprisingly, gives us the same solution that we calculated previously, using voltage division. This video is part of my DIY house circuit layout and connections series. In this series, I will be covering essential topics to help you understand and manage your home's electrical system safely and efficiently. Be sure and stay tuned, as I will also, from time to time, be reviewing electrical products that in my opinion are worthy of paying attention to. One of those products is the 𝐃𝐈𝐒𝐂𝐋𝐀 Delta Pro Ultra. The 𝐃𝐈𝐒𝐿𝐿 Delta Pro Ultra is one of the most versatile, whole home backup solutions that has just been introduced to the market. This backup power system is designed for both extended outages and daily use. With an unrivaled capacity of 6 kilowatt-hours, 7,200 watts output, and 5.6 kilowatts solar input, a single unit can run your entire home. With 𝐃𝐈𝐒𝐿 Smart Home Panel, you get an uninterrupted power backup experience with automatic switchover, energy consumption monitoring, and lower electricity bills. This unit is not driven by gas or diesel generation but uses the battery storage unit that is charged when the utility is available. This means that the unit can be placed indoors or outdoors and is virtually silent when operating. It has a stackable design that can be expanded to increase output in only minutes. Compatible with various energy sources, from solar to gas, to meet your ever-changing power needs. To obtain a discount code for 5% off on all 𝐃𝐈𝐒𝐿 products and more information on this subject, and pick up your free digital copy of the Ultimate Guide to Residential Standby Generators. Simply fill out the information requested when you go to this website, https://bit.ly/3 lowercase u, uppercase w, lowercase v, lowercase e, uppercase r, lowercase h. Before we end this video, I want to repeat the connection to my free copy of the Ultimate Guide to Residential Standby Generators, and the 5% discount code to all 𝐃𝐈𝐒𝐿 products. Also, here is the connection to obtain a free copy of my 50-page electrical power crib sheets. And finally, here is the link to all of my electrical courses, which are located in my Stan store.